Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best eyebrow sculpting kit is probably one of the most transformative beauty tools you can add to your makeup arsenal, allowing you to effortlessly define, shape, and fill your brows for a polished and put-together look that frames your face and enhances your features. Whether you're aiming for a natural, everyday enhancement or a bold, dramatic statement, a quality sculpting kit provides the precision and versatility needed to achieve salon-worthy results right at home, making it an indispensable item for anyone looking to elevate their brow game and achieve perfectly sculpted arches with ease and confidence. Number 5. Eyebrow Soap Kit, 2-pack. Tired of unruly eyebrows? Get ready to define and shape your brows like never before with this amazing kit. Experience a powerful, long-lasting hold that keeps your brows in place all day. No more smudging or fading, just flawless brows. Don't let sweat or rain ruin your look. This waterproof formula ensures your eyebrows stay perfectly styled through any weather. Achieve that coveted 4D brow effect with an easy-to-use gel. It's designed for a smooth application, giving you salon-worthy results at home. This convenient pack comes with 2 units, ensuring you always have your favorite brow essential on hand. Get great value and beautiful brows. What we like? This product offers a natural, sculpted look that lasts all day. Its waterproof formula ensures your brows stay in place through any activity. If you're looking for a low-maintenance way to achieve perfectly defined brows that won't smudge or fade, this is the one for you. What people say? It's so cheap and compact, I love that about it. But with this soap it's not moving. It felt tight almost upon application. This product is the best eyebrow gel soap ever, and I have tried a bunch of them. I purchase this product every 4 months and I absolutely love it. It keeps my brows the way I want them to be all day and so easy to take off. Highly recommend you buy this product. Number 4. Aesthetica Brow Contour Kit 16-piece Eyebrow Makeup Palette. Discover the ultimate tool for perfectly shaped eyebrows. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to achieve your desired look with ease. With 6 shades of brow powder, 5 stencils, and essential tools like a spoolie, brush, and tweezers, you have all the options. It's a complete solution for any brow style. Shape and fill your brows precisely using the included stencils and high-quality powders. Achieve flawless arches that frame your face beautifully. This all-in-one palette includes brow wax for hold and a highlighter for added definition. It simplifies your makeup routine significantly. Looking for a unique gift? This brow contour kit makes an ideal present for birthdays or any special occasion. She'll love this thoughtful beauty set. Unleash your creativity and unlock your brow's full potential. This kit empowers you to experiment and create stunning brow looks every day. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for flawless brows. With multiple shades and professional tools, you can customize your look. If you enjoy experimenting with different brow styles or want a complete solution for brow perfection, this palette is an excellent choice. What people say? The kit comes with everything you need to shape, fill, and define your eyebrows in one place. The shades are versatile and blend really well, making it easy to achieve a natural look without overdoing it. The powders are pigmented but still buildable, which is great if you're a beginner or want more control. The included tools are actually useful and a compact size makes it perfect to carry in your bag. This kit is a brow tutorial in a box and the templates are bomb. The clear instructions and 5 templates to choose from allow for a variety of colors means you can get warm, cool, or neutral shades. Also darker or lighter. Number 3. LAVONE Waterproof Eyebrow Stamp and Liner Kit. Tired of struggling with uneven eyebrows? Achieve flawless, symmetrical brows in seconds with our innovative makeup kit. It's designed for speed and precision, giving you a polished look every time. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for stunning eyes. From a waterproof brow pencil and pomade to a precise eyeliner and a dual-ended brush, it's your complete beauty arsenal. Don't let smudges ruin your day. Our formula is completely waterproof, ensuring your makeup stays put from morning to night. Enjoy confidence that lasts through any activity. The unique eyebrow stamp makes application incredibly simple, even for beginners. Just stamp, fill, and go for perfectly defined brows. It takes the guesswork out of your makeup routine. Achieve any look you desire with the included tools. The dual-ended brush allows for seamless blending and precise detailing, while the eyeliner adds definition to your gaze. This rich, dark brown shade is perfect for a natural yet defined look. It complements a wide range of hair colors, enhancing your features beautifully. What we like. Achieve precise definition with this versatile tool. It's waterproof and smudge-proof for all-day wear, and even includes an eyeliner for added convenience. If you need a reliable product that offers both brow definition and eyeliner in one, this is ideal for quick touch-ups and creating polished looks. What people say. It lasts all day and is so easy to apply. It lasts all day without needing to retouch, at least in my experience. It fills and blends in easily. Very easy to use and work with. Number 2. TsMADDTs 7-piece Tweezers Set. Introducing the TsMADDTs 7-piece Tweezers Set, your all-in-one solution for facial hair and eyebrow grooming. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for precise beauty. Crafted from durable, surgical-grade stainless steel, these tools are designed for precision and longevity. The hand-finished tips ensure a comfortable and safe experience for your delicate skin. Experience pain-free plucking with our perfectly aligned tips. They grasp even the shortest hairs from the root, making shaping your eyebrows effortless and precise. Lightweight and portable, this set is ideal for on-the-go touch-ups. Keep it in your bag for beauty maintenance wherever you are, making it an essential part of your routine. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This versatile tweezers set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or anniversaries. It's a practical and appreciated present for anyone who values their beauty. Each tool comes with a protective cover, and the entire set is housed in a stylish leather case. This ensures your tools stay clean, sharp, and safe from accidental scratches. What we like. This set offers exceptional precision with its variety of tools made from surgical-grade stainless steel. The included leather case makes it perfectly portable for on-the-go grooming. If you prioritize accuracy and quality in your brow grooming tools and need a compact set for travel or daily use, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The eyebrow pencil has a fine tip that allows for precise application, making it easy to fill in sparse areas and create natural-looking brows. The spoolie brush on the other end is great for blending the product and grooming the hairs into place, ensuring a polished finish. The formula is long-lasting and smudge-proof, so your brows stay put throughout the day without needing touch-ups. Number 1. LAVONE Eyebrow Pencil Makeup Kit. Introducing the LAVONE Eyebrow Pencil Makeup Kit, your ultimate solution for perfectly defined brows. This versatile kit offers everything you need for flawless application. Our formula is completely waterproof and smudge-proof, ensuring your brows stay impeccable all day long. No need to worry about touch-ups, even in humid conditions. Experience the innovative 2-in-1 design, combining a precise microblading pen with a creamy pomade. Achieve natural-looking hair strokes or a fuller, sculpted look with ease. The kit includes a dual-ended brush for seamless blending and application. Effortlessly shape and fill your brows for a polished finish every time. Achieve beautifully natural eyebrows with the rich dark brown shade. It's perfect for enhancing your features without looking overdone. This is your go-to solution for achieving salon-quality brows at home. Get ready to elevate your makeup routine with this essential brow kit. What we like. Get the look of microblading with this innovative pen. Its 2-in-1 design offers incredible versatility for creating natural-looking brows. If you desire a precise, hair-like effect and want a tool that simplifies achieving beautifully defined, natural brows, this is a must-have. What people say. The Eyebrow Sculpting Kit includes a dual-ended brush for precise application. The kit comes with 3 different shades to match various hair colors. The powder formula is long-lasting and smudge-proof throughout the day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.